Vivo is expected to unveil the Vivo S50 and S50 Pro mini smartphones in December in China. The design of the upcoming Vivo S50 series has been shared officially by the brand's product manager, Han Buxiao. The Vivo S50 series is teased to feature an all-aerospace-grade aluminum frame, and it is made using the new satin lithography process technology. Image reveals that the S50 series will have an iPhone-like triangular camera setup housed in a square camera island with rounded corners. Revealed that the Vivo S50 has the V2582M model number. The Vivo S50 could be equipped with a 6.59-inch OLED screen that offers 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo S50's Geekbench listing revealed that it is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset equipped with LPDDR5X 16GB RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Its rear camera setup is expected to include a Sony IMX882 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. The other details of this phone are currently under wraps. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.